Let's first discuss the background of Kilusang Mayo Uno. It was founded on May 1, 1980, during a period of heightened labor activism against the Marcos dictatorship. It also has historically aligned itself with leftist and progressive causes, advocating for workers' rights, national industrialization, and anti-imperialism. The KMU leadership often comprises individuals with strong ties to the leftist political spectrum and includes various sectoral representatives and regional officers who manage the organization's activities nationwide. Their greatest achievement is ousting Ferdinand Marcos in 1986 People Power Revolution. The Federation also faces various challenges including government surveillance and repression, especially under administrations that view militant labor activities as a threat to national security. KMU is known for its strong advocacy against the neoliberal economic policies and globalization which it argues undermine workers' rights and national sovereignty. Second is the Federation of Free Workers. It is one of the oldest labor federations in the Philippines. Founded in 1950, it was established by Catholic labor leaders and remains affiliated with the World Confederation of Labor, reflecting its roots in the Christian labor movement. Their leadership typically includes seasoned labor activities and advocates. FFW has made significant contributions to labor legislation in the Philippines, including advocating for the passage of the Labor Code of the Philippines in 1974. FFW also contends with the challenge of maintaining relevance in a rapidly changing labor market, characterized by the rise of the gig economy and increasing automation. Also, FFW is active in labor education and training, providing workshops and seminars to empower workers. Last but not the least, the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines. It is the largest labor federation in the country, established in 1975. Their leadership has been known for its pragmatic approach, engaging in both advocacy and partnership with government and business sectors. One of their achievements is increasing the minimum wage, improvements in occupational safety and health standards, and, and the establishment of the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration to support Filipino migrant workers. TUCPS faces challenges both internally and externally, including rapports with the same issues affecting other unions, such as anti-union practices by some employers and the need to adapt to a changing economic landscape. As per the other aspects of TUCP, the Federation is member of the International Trade Union Confederation (ITUC) and actively participates in international labor advocacy.